Hi, I'm LJ with Lift King Products. So I want to talk about our main lift, the main component. Our main lift is built out of steel construction. It has a powder coat finish. It's built very, very rugged and durable. We have 10 different attachments for it, both in the light duty and heavy duty. And we're going to go ahead and get into some of the features of the main component now. There's some really cool features with this Lift King. So the item that you see up here is a stopper. So whenever you're lifting whatever it's designed to lift, and your roller box gets to this height right here, it's going to automatically stop the unit. So that's what that is, that's a stopper. Now the Lift King comes with a 1,500-pound auto brake winch. So you don't have to flip nothing, you just go back and forth, it's an auto brake. But the cool thing is the most that you're ever going to typically lift is 300 to 500 pounds. And this is a 1,500-pound brake wrench, so it makes lifting really super easy. So this particular item here is our safety feature. Now this is a very important part of our lift for the safety of the technician. So if there was a product lifted up on this lift and this cable were to break, or there was something here defective, the second that would break, the spring here is going to trigger this lever to come up, and there's slots all along the mast. And this safety feature is going to catch the very next slot, and it's going to jam the entire roller box. It's going to stop the product from falling. It's going to protect the technician from getting injured. It's a great safety feature. So we're very proud that the Lift King's built in the US. I hope this video was very helpful. Thanks for watching.